Hi guys, it's Martin. Today I'm going to be doing a fidget trade with my best friend. And yeah, we're actually going to be in the Google Meet. Yeah, oh my gosh. Why did the lights just change? But yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be starting this video right now, and yeah, my package are going to be coming next week. Although that is the last time I'm going to be ordering because I want to save my money like before then again. And yeah, you're probably wondering if I'm going to be, posting more Roblox vids. Well, yeah, I just did that, so time for more fidget things. But anyways, let's go ahead to let's get started into the video, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Okay.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, what do you want? You want trade?
Yeah.
Something? Okay, ma'am. You better hurry up because I have more things to do than this.
Okay. So I'm gonna trade you.
Infinity cube. Infinity cube.
I'm
offering this up first. Hey, what's your trade?
I'm gonna offer you this wacky track and this tangle.
Ma'am, you're really under.
I'm over. I'm gonna give you.
You better add. If you don't add, I swear.
I'm gonna give you this puzzle ball then.
What? No, you're so under. Like, you better add like 7 more stuff or something. I'm not part of that.
What? How about this pea pod? I'm so over.
No. Add. If you don't add
this circle puppet, and this is it, or I'm gonna decline.
No, don't you dare decline, because I'm gonna talk to the owners of this trading system, and you better accept.
This is the last thing I'm gonna add, and if you don't accept, then it's fine, but I'm not gonna add this dimple.
Okay, I'm gonna accept that for the infinity cube.
Okay, finally. Now I'm gonna have to carry all these.
Oh, by the way, this infinity cube is actually broken.
What?
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, do you want to trade?
Yes, of
okay,
course.
I don't care your opinion. So, first, I'm gonna offer you a fidget cube.
Okay.
Why are you laughing, Mom? Are you crazy? Mom, are you crazy?
No.
Okay, you're really crazy. What a psychopath. Oh my gosh. Then I'm gonna offer a marmalade bash. It's really good, okay? I promise. I'm gonna offer a monkey noodle. You like it? You like this monkey noodle? You like it? You like it?
Okay, next.
Okay. I'm asking if you like it, ma'am. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then I'm gonna add the snakes. Put it normal. Okay, there. Oops.
I'm gonna offer. Are you done?
I'm not done yet. No. Oh my goodness, so disrespectful.
Okay. What's it?
Okay, then this infinity cube. Now you better trade me.
Okay, this pink puppet. This tangle.
No, I don't like that.
What? How about this huge unicorn? It's not a fidget, but it's so huge.
No, I like it. Change it.
How about this dimple?
No. Yeah, that's actually kind of good. Yeah, put it there.
Oh, okay. This magnet, this ball magnet thing, it's big, it's heavy.
Yeah, put that. Who cares?
Okay. This wacky track.
Yeah, add more.
Okay. How about this like tangle? We can put it back together just in case it breaks.
Yeah, add more.
Oh. This infinity cube.
Really cool. Add more.
This beanie boo. It's not a like.
It's normal.
this
You
puzzle
guys
ball,
have
and that's all the fidgets I have.
add more.
No, I don't have any more fidgets. I'm gonna have to decline this then.
Then I'm gonna accept for sure.
Oh.
I'm so over. Okay, accepted.
So I'm going to be offering you my water bottle squishy, like water bottle fidget. It's only a DIY one. This
Okay.
like I don't know, noodle bead thing, I guess, stretchy noodle bead. This DIY acupressuring, and this DIY single simple lip ball. What are you gonna offer?
By the way, some of these are actually jokes, so okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna offer this this monkey noodle with a glue stick, which is really cool. Oh my goodness. It's really cool, ma'am. Alright.
Yeah, but did you make it yourself?
Yeah, I made it by myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I made it by myself.
Okay.
A DIY book.
What?
Look at it. A DIY book.
You did that yourself?
Yeah, you can just like do this. It's a fidget basically.
Okay, a texture fidget.
Okay, then. So how you can picture it by reading. So like you can read this.
What is
that's how you
that?
fidget. Yeah, that's how you picture it.
Invisible
Then-
man fidget.
Yeah, this is a really cool picture by the way. Then this is like where you can just do that. It's really cool. But let me look for some more. I have a lot.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't think that's her DIY, but whatever. Here she comes.
Okay, so this is my other fidget.
What is it? What is that?
So basically, sorry. Basically you just have to like use, and that's how you fidget it, and you can just do this.
Okay, I think you're quite over already, but I just want to make sure that all those are actually DIY. Is it?
Okay, so I actually have this as DIY. So
All of your things you're gonna trade are DIY?
These are DIY, yeah, for sure.
Okay, then I'm gonna accept
Um,
because I can read it.
These are actually, it took me like so long to make this DIY. It took me 100 steps. It actually took me 7 years.
Okay, enough. Let me just accept. Get this now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay! I'm only gonna offer this, by the way. So.
What? Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna be offering you this noisy squishy. Oh, and this like.
That's really cool. Oh my gosh. What else do you have?
And I'm also gonna be offering this thing. It's like water. It's really cool, and you better offer good. Offer good.
Okay. Don't
Hurry
be so
up.
mean.
I'm not mean.
Okay. So I'll offer this stress ball. It's really squishy.
Add.
Okay. I'll add this heart squishy.
This is so rare. Add.
Oh my goodness. I'll add this cracker.
Okay, add more.
What? Nice.
So under.
I'll add another DIY squishy.
You're so under. Add.
What? Okay,
Add.
I'll add another DIY squishy.
Add more.
What? I'll add a DIY monkey noodle.
Is that even DIY?
Yeah, it is.
Is that all the fidgets you have, ma'am?
No, I actually have.
Add more then.
Okay, I'm kind of broke, so I'm gonna add this. It's just a DIY fidget, I promise.
Okay, my name is Karen, and I am really nice, but you better add about 100 more things because you're so under.
Fine, okay. I don't have much more. I'm gonna put this DIY mochi. It's
Is
really
that
rare.
even DIY?
Yeah, totally DIY.
Is that all you got? It's because I'm gonna, is that just all you got?
No, I actually have a lot more than that.
I think that's all you got, so I'm gonna accept because I'm scared.
I have a DIY puppet. You just don't want to see it. Okay, that's fine. I want to see it.
That's not DIY, but okay. I'm gonna accept then.
Okay, man. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with another video, whether it's unboxing time or some stuff, because I did order more fidgets, but this is going to be the last time I'm gonna be ordering fidgets. I'm going to save my money for something else, just because I pretty have so much fidgets after I unbox it. I don't even have a bin to put it. Well, I do have some stuff to put it in, but yeah. Also comment down below if this is considered as a fidget. I don't think so. But if there's a lot of these heavy magnetic balls, maybe it is gonna be a fidget, because you can do that on your stuff. But I can also put this here and maybe switch it out. I can't move stuff, but that's gonna be really cool for that one. Anyways, goodbye. Uh-oh.